Alright, well, we're on the tractor here now. Just made my other video previous to this. Just made the video of showing the John Deere tractor to you guys, so you've seen the engine already and everything. So now we're going to do a cold start. Yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's very cold out here, if you that's what you want to call it. So we're going to throw the throttle up and choke. Oh, the light just went out. So we'll hurry up here. So now we got the battery lights on and the oil pressure. Well, there she is, guys. Hold on a minute, I'll shut it off. Well, guys, there's my John Deere 265. I just did a cold start. It's very cold out here. I can still see my breath. It's like mid-February, so it's pretty cold. But, yep, there she is. Here, I'll give you a tour of the engine while it's running. I just don't want to be talking while I'm up there, because it's you know, it's loud. So here's going to be the tour of the engine. It's a 17 horsepower Kawasaki. Alrighty, well, yeah, that's my John Deere 265. It's a cold start and a little bit of a drive for you guys, so it's kind of neat. Alrighty, well, you take care. I'm going to get inside. It's pretty cold out here. Take care, guys.